Right, just go through a few controls just so you have an idea what's going on. So just down to your right hand side you have your hill decline control there, and next to that your electronic stability control, and below that your front parking sensors that you can switch on and off. Up on your steering wheel we have the button to control your pod there, so you pulse that button there. We have your cruise control, and then heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and then your stereo and phone controls on there. Behind you have your windscreen wipers. If you put them on auto and move it down one, you've now got rain sensing wipers there, and then on the other side you've obviously got an auto light setting as well. Alright, so looking at your pod here, as it stands, you've got your speed to the right and your rev counter to the left. In the bottom right you've got the indicator for your heated steering wheel, which has now gone off. To the left of that is your fuel, and then the clock, then your odometer in the middle, temperature, and then temperature of the vehicle, and then your gearbox setting to the left of that. Now that middle section, which says trip A at the moment, can be adjusted by putting this little button down. So we move that button down, and now it says trip B. If we do it again, it gives us your departure journey, your time of your journey basically. That one there tells you how many miles you've got, so it says at the top 429 miles, and then it'll be your instant and average MPG. Next tab down will give you your tyre pressures, and then your AdBlue, your air level, and then back to trip A. Just going to pull forward for a jet behind me. Right then, so we can change what goes on in that pod by pressing this button here. So we press that button, you see there's some sections come up in the center there momentarily. We've now got a digital speedo. Now again, by putting that little toggle, we can change how that looks. Pressing that button again will give us what's on the radio. Pushing that button again will give you where you've got all of your settings, so you can go down and change your dashboard settings, your vehicle settings. So to go in at any of those, so we want to go into door, you've got a little return arrow on there, you just push that in, and then you've got your little subsections underneath. So basically anytime you want to confirm anything or select, you push that button in. Pretty simple, and then go back to the dials. It's that one there.